Ladies and gentlemen, do we have a beautiful home to show you today? This is one I have been waiting to be able to take a video of. This is our brand new Albany floor plan. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Normally it is 1491 square feet. This home that we're going to look at today is just a little bit bigger at 1515 square feet because it has the added bay windows in the master bedroom. This is one I have been wanting to show, but this is actually the furthest along one that we have in the company because this is a brand new floor plan, and it has a killer starting price at $199,990. This home is going to be closing here in just a few days, and the buyers already have done the walkthrough, so you'll see as we go into this house there's lots of blue tape everywhere. That is marking off spots that need to be touched up for paint, sheetrock, texture. But this house is absolutely gorgeous. You still have the huge 10-foot ceilings all throughout the home and the beautiful wood look tile flooring. She extended all the way down the hallways and into the family room. But let's just take a look. Walk through here together and I'll show you some of the really cool stuff with this new floor plan. So as you walk in here to the left, we're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up front. This particular home also has a very beautiful upgraded front door. And we'll head on into the first bedroom. Both of these guest bedrooms, while they are smaller than some of the other guest bedrooms in the other videos we've done, both of these bedrooms have really nice sized walk-in closets. This is a really great size walk-in closet for any size bedroom, let alone one that's this size. Tons of storage space for your kids, for any guests, or if you wanted to use it as an office. This is going to be the second guest bedroom, similar size as the first room and with a large walk-in closet as well. Here in your guest bathroom, you've got beautiful painted white cabinets with the undermount sink. You have a shower tub combo, and you've got some really pretty tile floors in here. This is going to be your mudroom area, and then right in here is going to be your laundry room. This home, for being such a smaller square footage, has amazing spaces. So you can see in this laundry room, it's massive and you have extra storage behind the door. Then you also have your smart home structured wiring panel right here to plug your router in for your internet and cable. Out here in the garage, you'll see you've got the water heater over there in the corner. Got your electrical panel and your sprinkler system. And then all of the homes come with the insulated garage door and the garage door opener. And before we get into the family room, you have a coat closet right here. And then heading into the family room, this house is absolutely gorgeous. You've got beautiful painted white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a very nice open kitchen, dining, and family area. The 10-foot ceilings just make the whole space feel bigger, and everything just pops. Here's the backyard on this particular home. Great size lot. Full sprinkler system is included. You also have the stained fence with the metal posts. And then you can see right here that pop out in the back. That's actually the bay windows in the master bedroom. And we'll go take a look at that here in just a second. This kitchen is just so nice. Beautiful cabinets. You got a really pretty white subway tile backsplash, and it just pops with this granite. And the stainless steel appliances that they added just really pops it off with all the other colors in the house. Beautiful undermount sink with an upgraded kitchen sink faucet. And here's your view if you were standing at the sink, checking out the dining room, then over to the family room. All of the drawers throughout the home will be the full pull-out drawers. And they're all on metal slides for extra support. You've got a really great sized pantry. You can store tons of food, supplies, put plenty of stuff in here. So if we get on lockdown again, you'll have tons of food prepped. And then I also really like this little coffee bar area. I think it's just such a cool extra touch. The high ceilings and the can lights add so much space to this house and all of our floor plans. But I just am really excited since this is the very first one that I've got to take a video of. We have a few of these under construction, but this is the very first one I've been able to actually video, and it just looks amazing. Now check this out. This is the biggest master bedroom that we have on a single story in this neighborhood. Look how huge this room is. The bay windows push it out a few feet and bump the square footage in the house up, but this is just massive. If you've watched some of the other videos on this channel, this bedroom is bigger than the master bedroom in our Lincoln model home that has a king size bed in it. This room is just massive. I absolutely love it. You'll have your ceiling fan included here in the master bedroom and in your family room. All your window blinds are included throughout the home as well. And heading into the bathroom, we've got the French doors, a big beautiful tub, then you also have the double undermount sinks in here, and the 10-foot ceilings extended into the bathroom as well, making it feel that much bigger. Here you'll have your separate shower. All of our floor plans come with a separate shower and tub included. This is a really great size shower. And you also have your separate toilet area with a door for a little extra privacy. I really like the color of the tile in this bathroom as well. Got the can lights up high, great lighting. Got your marble countertops. And this homeowner also added the medicine cabinet in the wall, which I think was a really cool touch. A little extra storage. Put your Q-tips and toothpaste in there. You got your towel rack over the tub. Another can light. And then we'll head in and take a look at the closet. And this closet is a great size as well. And I really like the can lights that we have in the closet and in the bathrooms. I just think it makes it have such a clean look. Tons of storage space here in the closet. And just as a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, our homes out here in Rainbow Ridge all come with the window blinds included, the ceiling fans in the family room and master bedroom, your full sprinkler system, the stained fence and the metal posts, and tons more. Look how nice this looks with the French doors closed. Such a pretty bathroom. Another thing I forgot to touch on earlier, but I have in previous videos, is the Living Smarter Smart Home package, and that's included with all of our homes as well. You'll have a Ring doorbell camera included. You'll have the ability to control your thermostat from your phone, the structured wiring panel that I showed you in the laundry room, and then you'll also be able to open and close your garage from a garage door module that we'll install for you. And you have 2 lamp modules to turn lamps or anything else you want to plug in on and off from your phone. Here's a quick shot of the new blinds. So there's no strings on these, you just lift them up and they stop, and you pull them down where you want them to go. So no more strings to worry about. Really cool. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. If you have any questions about the homes, any included features, please feel free to reach out to me. Quite a few of you do regularly, and I would be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.